Hey, what is going on, pros and presses? MrLime and HD here, and welcome to another drinks review. So first of all, if you want to save 10% discount on XiTE energy products, don't forget to use code ByElliot. Or if you want to save 10% discount on X-Gamer products, don't forget to use code MrLime. Both will be in the description below. So today we are reviewing Rockstar's new, now fairly long title, so this is their new Rockstar Juiced, and it is the Tropical Punched Special Edition. So I got this particular can out of Tesco's actually, and it cost me 99p. Rockstar still doing all their cans for 99p, which is good even in these times of COVID and sugar tax. They're still selling for 99p, which is good. Big up Rockstar going on there. And not to get confused with the Tropical Guava one, which is in the purple cans, which is up there somewhere. I'm sure we've all tried the Tropical Guava at some point, but this is the Tropical Punch, so it seems to, judging from the pictures on the front, the little pictures of the fruit there, it seems to be a mixture of passion fruit or guava or something like that. So this will be interesting to find out, seeing as it's a special edition, seeing as it's actually got juice in it. So anyways, let's give you guys a full 360 of the cans. We have an awesome looking can design, as always, from Rockstar. We have the big usual kind of Rockstar R on the front there, covering half of the can. And then behind that, we have like these. Then we seem to doing this skull theming quite a lot recently with their cans, with the El Mango and the passion fruit Taz. They seem to be doing this skull pattern quite a lot. I mean, it looks fairly cool, but you have like the pink skulls and it's pictures of the passion fruit. I think that's passion fruit, purple outside. So we have pictures of the passion fruit. We have special edition at the bottom, of course, Tropical Punched, and we have the juice down the side with the Rockstar logo. Around the top here, we have B vitamins, taurine, ginseng, guarana, and caffeine. And then on the back and stuff, we just have the ingredients and stuff, so not really nothing too interesting, but we'll read them in a second. On the bottom, we have everything all standard, and the top is all silver, apart from the pull ring, which is in black. So taking a close look at the back of the can, what do we have? Well, Rockstar did half all of the sugar in all of their drinks, unless you've got a fully loaded variation of one of their drinks. So this now contains, or I say now, but before it probably would contain double this, but this has 4.9 grams of sugar per 100 ml, which again is half of the average, which used to be 10 milligrams. And the total can contains 24, so a lot less than what these normally would have, because the Tropical Guava up there contains like 69 grams of sugar in total, which is ridiculous. Vitamins are vitamin B6, B12 and niacin, no pantothenic acid, interestingly. Carbonated mixed fruit juice and flavour, yep. Let's see, so what do we actually have? Apple juice from concentrate, 6%. We have guava puree from concentrate, 1%. And mango puree from concentrate, 1%. So it seems to be mangoes and guavas. So there we go. As it is half sugar, it doesn't contain any sweeteners. Let's have a look. So it only contains sucralose and a sulfame, so no aspartame, which is good. Apart from that, we've got our usual caffeine, 32 milligrams per 100 ml, so bang on the average here. But apart from that, nothing else interesting on the can. Served chilled, yep. So it's nice and cold. I have got a cup, got my MrLime and HD review cup. Let's get straight into it. Hopefully it does not explode over me. So I'm really looking forward to this. I mean, it's nice and cold. I'm quite thirsty actually, about to review this drink, so it's probably going to be really nice when I drink it. But I'm hoping it's not just going to be like a mango blast from reading the ingredients, but as this is a mixture and it's probably going to be tropical, it's probably going to be more on the guava side or passion fruit side maybe, even though it doesn't say it's got passion fruit. These tropical drinks, they end up either being one of a few flavours, but we'll have to find out. So I'm judging the colour is going to be, well, you'd assume the colour is going to be pink, but it might be red and it could be, I'd say purple, but I'll go along with kind of the pinkish theme, but I could totally be wrong. Alright, just don't explode over me. Don't explode. There we go. Lovely. Oh, okay. Okay, yeah. Of course it's not going to be pink. It's tropical. Of course it's going to be orange, isn't it? Or some sort of colour like that. So, that's quite a lot of foam on the top there. Yeah. Oh, smell a little bit pouring it out there. Smells just tropical smell, really. We'll give it a closer smell in a second, though. So quite a lot of foam on the top there, taking quite a while to go. We'll leave that to settle down. Bubbles on the side, not too many bubbles on the side to be honest, but not necessarily a bad thing, it's just saying how many bubbles there are. The colour is indeed orangey, although maybe a tad maybe not like a brighter orange. Again, the light, it depends how bright my light is making this look on the camera, but yeah, definitely maybe not on the lighter side, maybe a tad on the darker side. And it is cloudy, it is non-see-through. So yeah, the foam's still on the top there, so it seems to be lingering around there, so we'll just have to deal with that. So let's give it a closer smell now. Yeah, it just smells of a tropical blend of really like most of these other tropical blends. It smells nice, doesn't smell bad. I'm not saying it smells bad. It smells nice. I'm just saying it smells of a tropical blend of some such. But there is a couple of flavors or a couple of smells coming out at me there. So let me take a closer smell again. Yeah, I'm getting kind of a bit of flavor of something else, but it's just hard when you've got always a tropical mix. So I can almost smell a bit of mango, but I can smell a bit of guava in there as well. So it's, again, it's a mix of both really, but I can smell kind of a little bit of mango in there, a little bit of guava in there, but it smells really, really nice. But okay guys, nevertheless, let's try some. Okay, wow, that's quite nice. Wow, that's nice. So what I like about these kind of juice variant drinks, whether it's Monsters or you know, Relentless's or Rockstar's juice, I like them because they seem to be more like a actual juice drink, and then you've kind of got, obviously they're blending it with caffeine and stuff, so it seems to be more of an actual juice. They're like more of a hardcore energy drink, if that makes any sense. Like, they seem to be more like you're drinking an actual fruit juice, but you wouldn't know it's an energy drink, and you wouldn't know it's got caffeine in it, for example. Like, it seems to be more of an actual just carton juice drink, which can be nice now and then. But that's really, really nice, just straight off from the bat there. Sweetness-wise, the sweetness is good. Again, even for having kind of half sugar, the sweetness is good. It's right in the middle for sweetness, which is nice. You know, it's not over sweet like some of the older ones used to be, and it's definitely not under sweetened or under sugary. You definitely know it's got sugar in it, so it's the perfect amount for that. But the actual flavors, so ultimately, yes, it is just a tropical mix, but the flavors in there, they are nice. They don't taste fake or artificial or anything like that. There is nice juice flavors in there, but it's hard to determine from drinking it which one's really popping out at me. But if more than anything, I think I'm getting more of a, I kind of got like a bit of mango in there, and then there's like, again, a little bit of guava. So it's, and I know I'm literally saying what it is, but because it's a tropical bunch, it's like they are just a mix of flavors crashing together in your mouth for a, you know, for a flavoursome drink, which just make it really, really nice overall. So I'm drinking it. Kind of get, yeah, a little bit of mango and a bit of guava in there. In terms of apple juice, no apple flavour whatsoever. Again, that's more of, I guess, just a filler and a mixer rather than anything. And that's actually apple juice rather than, say, the mango puree and the guava puree, which is in there. But yeah, it's just to mix the drink about, isn't it, really? And that obviously adds to the overall flavour. But yeah, no apple flavour in there whatsoever. And even if there is some other stuff in there, you can't really taste it. I think because mango is quite a overpowering fruit, it's like it takes over quite a lot of drinks. The same goes for like even smoothies and stuff. You have like a smoothie, as soon as you add banana in a smoothie, it just becomes banana, like no matter how much other fruit you add. And the same goes for like energy drinks. As soon as you put in like pineapple or something, it just overpowers everything else. So stuff like this can be really strong and overpowering. But regardless, this is nice. You know, it's not nasty by any means. Again, because it's juiced, it seems like I'm drinking more of a juice drink. It will go down a hell of a lot easier. I know you'll probably be inclined to drink more, even though you shouldn't drink more than one can. It's yeah, it is nice. Oh, excuse me, guys, fizzy. But yeah, that is nice. I'll try some out the can in a second as well. Yeah, it's nice. The aftertaste, again, I'll be drinking it and waiting for the aftertaste, but there's not too much of an aftertaste, to be honest. Yeah, just getting kind of the mango-y guava vibe. It's almost like a mix-up between Rubicon's guava and they're mango, literally. And again, I say that because Rubicon is a juice drink. It's not an energy drink, as we know. And that's why I'm comparing this to that, because it's obviously juice. It's designed to be more of a juice drink than an actual energy drink. And they've done it in the past with their, you know, I mean, there's a couple of flavours up there I can name. There's there's like the orange clementine and the mixed berries one up there, and the guava pineapple. I think it was called the first, yeah, Rockstar First Start. It was called, and that had 5% juice content in there. So, and then again, that was more drinking like a juice, and I really enjoyed them ones. So, this is similar on a different level, but ultimately, it's just another mixed tropical punch of flavors. But regardless, it's nice. I would drink these again because of the half sugar, so it's easy to drink than drinking, you know, 70 grams of sugar in some of these full sugar cans. But regardless, yeah, it's nice. Special edition. Well, probably won't stick around for long, so pick it up while you can in Tesco's, 99p. Regardless, that does get a thumbs up for me. So as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you all later.